In this video, I'll show you how to create a WooCommerce minimum order price. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. On this demo store, I've created a rule that a customer needs to spend a minimum of $150 to be able to check out. So in my basket, I've got $120 worth of products. And if I try to check out, then we'll get this notification message here informing us that the minimum order value needs to be at least $150, right? So if we add some more to our basket, then we should be able to check out. So let's just go ahead and test this. And then we can go ahead and check out. If you wanted to create this sidebar widget area as well, it's powered by the all-in-one checkout plugin. So I'll leave a link on screen to a video showing you how to do just that. Since our order value is in excess of $150, we're able to check out just fine. So if you want to create a similar setup on your WooCommerce store, the first step is to head over to AovUp.com. Go ahead and download the minimum maximum quantities rule plugin by AovUp. I'll leave a link in the description below, and with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. Assuming you've downloaded the AovUp min-max quantities plugin, the next step is to go ahead and upload that plugin. So we'll go plugins, add new, go ahead and upload and install the plugin. Okay, and then from here we can just scroll down, and then we'll just make sure we enable this minimum maximum quantities rule plugin. So we just go ahead and switch this to on. Okay, and that's activated fine. And now we'll go ahead and create our minimum order price rule. The first thing we need to do is we need to specify who we want this rule to apply to. So here where it says applies to, we can set it to apply to guest users, which are users logged out of our site, or we can set it to a specific user role. In this case, I'm just going to select everyone. Okay, and then we'll just scroll down to where it says minimum order value here, and then we can enter in the minimum order price that a customer needs to spend to be able to check out on our store. So we'll say 150, and then we'll just hit save changes. Okay, and now we can go ahead and test out our rule. But before we do so, it's worth mentioning that we can create multiple different rules for specific users by just clicking this add new rule option here. We can also create a minimum order amount based on the category and also on a per product basis as well. And we'll quickly test this out, and then we'll have a quick look at a few of the other options. So let's navigate over to our store page. So we've already got a few items in our basket, and here the total is $95. So let's go ahead and attempt to check out. Okay, and here we're getting this message informing us that we need to spend a minimum of $150, and we can return back to the cart page. Okay, so if we increase the quantity on this one, for example, this should bring us over that minimum amount. Okay, now we're able to check out just fine. Okay, so as I mentioned before, we can create it on a per product basis, or we can actually do it on a category basis. So for the categories, if we just navigate over to our category page, so we can click on this category, for example, we just click edit, and here we've got some additional options powered by the min-max rule plugin. Okay, so for example, we can add a quantity steps, and we can also add a minimum quantity as well, and a maximum quantity. Again, just like on the global level, we can specify who we want to target this rule to. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box below or reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.